How to use cam scanner to make pdf. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use cam scanner application to make your pdf file. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You have to open the cam scanner application, and after that you can see that you will get this interface. Now if you want to add the pdf and if you want to make the pdf of different images, so you have to tap right here on the import images, and after that you have to select the multiple images from there to import as a pdf. So you can see if I select these 5 photos, now you have to tap right here on the import option. Now guys, if you want to make them as a pdf, so you have to tap right here on the pdf option, and after that you can see that this file will be created as the pdf. Now let us give the name of this file my new file. So you can see that after tapping this name I have to tap right here on ok, and this name will be changed. Now you can see that this file is already in pdf. So now I can share this file to any of the person. Like if I want to share this file, so I can just tap right here on share, and I can share this file to any of them by using WhatsApp, Gmail, or messages, anything. So this is how you can easily make the pdf file in cam scanner application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.